the process started with just a forest on a hillside. And as I sat with the forest and got to know it and got to envision how the site plan that was originally created in 1995, how it might mesh with the vision that I have. And so first we came in with the chainsaws, and I cut out with the chainsaw, and honestly just with the loppers, a ton of undergrowth and so much rhododendron and mountain laurel, and that helped clear out a space to see more of what was actually going on in the landscape and let me do further visioning. And then we logged out some of the bigger trees and then cut some of the smaller trees for poles and firewood. Finally, we brought in the big machines to build the road, and so the road is a big part of the infrastructure. Being able to access the sites is really important, and so the excavator cut in the road and pulled out a bunch of the stumps and leveled the sites for the bathhouse and the common kitchen. And on my site, built in a bunch of terraces. There's so much hugelkultur underneath all of the terraces on my site. It's actually kind of remarkable. You can see in the pictures the big, huge piles of roots and brambles and brush that are all now nicely contained underneath of this topsoil from what was already here. Really beautiful job done by Brandon. Really grateful for his expertise.